if you want to get into a community that's not so cookie cutter, then maybe you should come over here to Toll Brothers where I am. I'm at Preserve at St. Anne. We're gonna look at this floor plan right here behind me. It's called the Lockhart and the exterior is a Spanish. It is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a 4-car garage. Now here's the deal. I'll tell you the price in a minute. We'll get in there because it's going to be a first impression. I haven't seen the home yet, so we're going to see it together, and then I'll tell you the price, and you tell me if you think it's worth it. But I'm going to turn you around. I want you to see the street. This house over here caught my attention with the black or charcoal. I'm not sure what it is. But then you got the farmhouse look. You got your standard traditional type look. Then you got like a modern look going on. So bunch of different things here. Now, here's the home. Spanish style. All that means is that it's stucco, okay? And if you look right here at the garage, it looks like it is a 2-car garage, right? It looks standard home, nothing special. But once that door goes up, that thing is going to expand and you're gonna have 4 cars in the back. I think this house may have been sitting a while because when we look at the landscaping, you could tell that the landscaping is a little mature for this home. This home is brand new, okay? And I'll tell you the price once I get out of this heat. Let's get ourselves into the home first. And I just gotta find the key. Here we go. I think that's it, we'll try. Oh, that feels so much better. Okay, so they have staged this home. I was not expecting that. So as soon as you come in, you got this nice little area to put either a table or anything, or just a landing pad destination. And then to my right, I saw some mirrors that caught my attention because of the reflection. So let's look through here. What are we gonna find? Oh, this is a flex space. Oh, okay. I like what I see. All right, let me just tell you what I saw because I didn't move the camera. This is a flex space, but you have 3 bedrooms here. So bedroom number 1, we're gonna call it. Let's make sure it has a closet. Yeah, has a closet. All right, so bedroom number 1. If you look right across the hall, that's bedroom number 2. And then right behind me is bedroom number 3. And I actually like the size of the rooms. These are not small rooms. And here we go with the bathroom here. Dual sink. This is the right way to do this. When you're sharing rooms, I like to see the sinks like this, right? With a door. This is really important because if you got a bunch of people in the house, you still need access to the tub, shower, toilet, but somebody else may just need access to the sinks, okay? So I really like that. And then let's look across here and see how they set that up. Okay, you already see it. If you don't see it, this bedroom has its own ensuite. Okay, so they get their own tub shower combo, their own, oh, let me get back here. They got a walk-in closet. Nice, okay. And it's pretty spacious. I wasn't expecting that, but hey, there you go, all right? So nice deep tub. You got a little bit of window here. Of course, you might want some covering over that because I can see whatever that storage room is over on their side. Let me zoom in so you can see the storage. See that little storage window right there? What are they doing in there, man? But you got decent room here, not bad, okay? All the rooms are pre-wired for a ceiling fan. Let me give you another look at this space, okay? You got a big family, you got kids. This space right here, phenomenal space, okay? This is what I would call a teen room. Let all the mess hang out right here. But if you don't have kids and it says it's you and you're using this, you're working from home, okay? Well, each person can have their own office space, and then this could be like your meeting room, I guess. Let's go down and see what's on the other side of the house. So we just saw 3 bedrooms right off the back. Right off the back. Okay, so this is gonna be the garage area. They gave you a little key drop here. What's that? Oh, you got that half bath. You're going to need that for when your guests come over. And then let me just see what this is before I go into that garage. Another key drop area. Interesting. And I like that the laundry is bigger. Comes with a sink. This is quartz. Has a nice, cool touch to it. I'm looking at 42-inch uppers above the washer and dryer. So this house is going to come with the washer and dryer. I'm liking that. All right, let's look at this. Let's look at this. All right. Well, this is your 4-car tandem garage. You can easily fit 4 cars in here. You got a big Suburban, Lincoln Navigator, Cadillac Escalade. No problem parking. You got a work truck with a trailer. No problem. Listen, if you only have 2 cars but you want toys, like a 4-wheeler, Razor, anything like that, no problem. We got tankless water heater, all right? Your pre-plumb for soft water, you want that here in Arizona. I like having an access door on the garage, right by the gate. And that gate is one of those low maintenance ones. So this is me just touching. Yeah, so this is wood that you don't. Oh, that's some kind of metal. Even better. Even better. No maintenance there. And this is, oh man, that side yard is deep. But before we get sidetracked, let's go back inside. Okay. That's awesome. I like the garage. If you need space, this is going to solve a lot of problems for you. You might not even have 4 cars to park in here, but if you're paying for a U-Haul right now, you're already paying for it. You're already paying for this 4-car garage. So standard pedestal sink, toilet, basic mirror, nothing fancy there, but function-wise, as far as having a half bath, I'll take it because I feel like every house should come with it. You get a little hall closet here. Okay, I like how this is set up. Okay, so to my right, you have the kitchen, and this is perfection. Yes, use that whole wall and use all of those cabinets. This is amazing, okay? You want to use every ounce of space that you can get for storage. I'd rather have more cabinet space and not need it than need it and not have it. Also, have you guys realized we have the under the cabinet lights on this? Okay, there we go. Perfect. Let's see what we got. We got a Whirlpool. Sorry about that. We got a Whirlpool 36-inch cooktop. You're gonna get the hood vent here. Let's see how they do. Oh no, they didn't do it that way, but it's okay. Hey, at least it vents out. I got plenty of cabinets to where I'm not worried about it. Is it loud? Oh, that's light. Let's go. 1. Not so bad. 2. Not bad at all. Okay. Whoa. Okay. You can't see this. There's a massive amount of wind coming off of this. I'm gonna have to show you that again. Let me backtrack. All right, I'm sorry. This part, I'm not gonna edit it out, guys. This is the first take. This is me literally seeing the house for the first time, so you're just gonna have to deal with that part. But I want you to see this. We got a little bit of repair to do, and that's okay. So that wind is blowing. Watch this paper. You see that? I don't want that blowing out at me, okay? That should be going through the roof. So there has to be some kind of issue up there that they can fix. I'm gonna just see if I can zoom in on it. From right now, I can't see it, so I'll watch the video later and find out. But yes, they got some problems they got to fix on that. Easy thing for the HVAC guys to do. The doors feel nice and sturdy. It's hollow in the middle, so if you ever want to take this out and put glass for display purposes, you can. Oh, that was, I thought this was soft close. They're not soft close. Okay, that's fine. Let's check your drawers. Huge. We like the massive drawers on these, okay? They're not custom drawers, but they're good. We'll take that. And it looks like we have pretty decent space underneath too. And all of these bottoms look about the same. The only question I have, oh, I think we went quartzite. This is an upgrade. We went quartzite on the island. Ooh, that feels so good. It's hot outside, guys. It's 106 today. Okay, I want to know if they have a built-in trash can or not. No. So that's something you'll have to build out. You'll get the Whirlpool package. So there's your microwave, single oven. Very odd. We have a KitchenAid refrigerator, Whirlpool, microwave, stove, and cooktop. But then we have KitchenAid for the refrigerator. Now, Whirlpool makes KitchenAid, so there's nothing surprising about that, but I just assumed that they would match very well. Look, they're already testing the ice for you, so we won't want to dump that. Okay. Oh, you got storage over the refrigerator. Now, who's gonna use this? I'm a shorty. I can't even reach it. Barely. Okay. You'll use this one more. Even with the cords, you'll use that. Hey, the kitchen kind of just took me for a loop there. Let's get back into this. So here is your pantry. A lot of storage in the pantry. Very happy with that. Looking over at your living room. Is this a deal breaker for some of you? It's not super big, but it's not tiny, okay? Some people don't like this where you open the front door and it looks straight through to the backyard, okay? That might be a deal breaker for some people. For me, I'm not sure. Actually, I'm sure. I don't like being able to go straight through the back of the house. I like a little bit of separation. That's just me personally. Tell me what you think. Does this work for you? Now, going through, I almost missed the master. Here is the master. Absolutely love the size of the room, okay? Nailed it. That's a king size bed. You got plenty of space. They got a chair. You have a lot more space to put bigger nightstands if need be. Big soaker tub. Yes, this is a bonus. Get you a big soaker tub, and then your vanities are the exact same size no matter which one you choose. But we do have a little bit upgrade on the shower, and that being the tile, okay? So I like that we have all of this tile. We get a little bench over here and a nook. So you can put your shampoos and stuff, okay? Here's that view. And that goes all the way up to the ceiling. I mean, this is great space. Feels really good, okay? All right, now let's go take a look at the closet space in this one. It's ginormous. I thought that was just going forever. Look at that. I like that there's a lot of room on top to add another bar, or if you guys decide to do a custom closet, there's no reason you can't do it here, okay? But just standard space from what the builder provides, this is awesome. I would like to see the tile from here into the closet space, but when you're buying a new home that's already built, that's almost never the case. They always put the carpet in first, okay? But if you build this from the ground up, which you can, then at that point, you can go ahead on and do what you want for the flooring in the closet. Now, I put my paper down. I want to go over the price with you. Let's go over here and grab this paper. Okay, so let's talk about the price on this one. Okay, so this is what I got. The list price is $750,000. But here's the deal. No one's gonna pay $750,000. So they have slashed that price $100,000 all the way down to $650,000, making this property move in ready with all the cool upgrades that I showed you. Now, you'll also get $7,500 to go towards your closing costs. I mean, I'll take that all day long. This one is modeled at the front office, and guess what? The model is for sale with all the furnishings and everything that comes along with it. I'll have to get you a quick snippet of that. I'll put that on the shorts and on TikTok. But house is ready at $650,000. Only thing we did not look at is going to be the backyard. Let's go take a quick peek at that. So as we go toward, I missed telling you about the slider. This has the one upgraded slider where it just folds into itself. So just like that, okay? The one big slider, right? Okay. As far as the backyard, I'm liking the orientation so far. So let's get to this corner. This is a great size backyard. Great size backyard, okay? If you want something that's low maintenance, you still want to fit a pool, you want to do an outdoor kitchen, this is perfect, okay? Now, if you're worried about the little ones having something to do, the park here, there's several parks here, first of all. There's several parks. So you got basketball, you got swimming, you got soccer, you got just open green space, you got tot lots. There's a ton that you can do as far as keeping the little ones busy. And then Queen Creek has a park, several parks that you can go and visit as well, okay? All right, so that concludes it for this one. Listen, prices are going down, but they also going up. So let me explain what that means to you before I let you go, okay? So builders are creeping up on the prices, incentives are starting to leave, but they're still offering some discount right now. And what you want to do, if you're thinking about moving in the next 90 days to 6 months, you want to take advantage of these deals right now. You're always going to get the best deal on the house that's ready, but there are several homes that are under construction that are ready for August, November, and December. If you need to move later, your goal is just to get on contract right now. And if you want to do that, give me a call. Number's 480-793-2550. Again, 480-793-2550. I'll catch you on the next one. Rest of my contact info will be in the description below.